Friends, today I'm going to show that how to add admin on a Facebook page. Friends, to add admin on a Facebook page, it's an easy process. Friends, don't miss anything. Please watch the whole video. And after watching the video, if you like it, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel. Friends, to add admin on Facebook page, first open Facebook. After that, tap on menu at the down right corner, then tap on drop down sign to select your page, because first you have to go to your page. After going on page, then my friends, again you have to tap on menu at the down right corner or triple straight line, then you have to go on settings and privacy, then tap on settings. Then my friends, you have to tap on page settings from the top. You have to scroll down, go on page access. Then from here you have to tap on add new, tap on next, enter the name or email address that person, whose person you want to add as an admin. So I'm to write the name. This one. Then my friends, select the role, which role you want to give that person. After that, just tap on here, give access, and that person will get notifications or invitations. He should be accept that invitation, my friends, to run as an admin or that role. So friends, like this, if you want, you can add admin on Facebook page. Friends, to add admin on Facebook page, if you face any problem, feel free to ask me in comment box. I'll try to give answer as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope so next time I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.